ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಹಾಗೂ ಪರೋಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಪಾಲಕರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮನದಾಳದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಇಂದು ಈ ಮಾರಕ ಪಿಡುಗಿನ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದರೆ ಅದು ಆಧುನಿಕ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವು ಅತ್ಯವಶ್ಯಕ. ಅಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆಯ ಅನಾವರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಿದು. Book gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ಚೈತನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. 2020-21ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗುವಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಅನಾವರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗದೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ವಿಧಾತ್ರಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೊಂಕಣ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸುವ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ನೆನೆದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೂ ಭಗವಂತನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಗೀತೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೋರಲು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಆದ ಪದ್ಮನಾಭ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಸರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ, ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ, ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ, ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ. ನಿಟಿಲ ನೇತ್ರನ ದೇವಿ ಸುಧನೆ, ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನೇ, ನಿಟಿಲ ನೇತ್ರನ ದೇವಿ ಸುಧನೆ, ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನೇ, ತಟಿಲತಾಂಕಿತ ಕೋಮಲಾಂಗನೆ, ಕರ್ಣಕುಂಡಲಧಾರಣೆ, ತಟಿಲತಾಂಕಿತ ಕೋಮಲಾಂಗನೆ, ಕರ್ಣಕುಂಡಲಧಾರಣೆ, ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ, ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ, ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ. ಪಟ್ಟಮುತ್ತಿನ ಪದಕಹಾರನೆ, ಬಾಹು ಅಶ್ಚತಚುಷ್ಟನೆ, ಹಿಟ್ಟ ತೊಡುಗೆಯ ಹೇಮ ಕಂಗಣ, ಪಾಶ ಅಂಕುಶಧಾರನೆ, ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರುತಿ, ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ, ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ. कुक्षिमहालम्बोधरने इक्षुचापनकेलिधने कुक्षिमहालम्बोधरने इक्षुचापनकेलिधने पक्षिवाहननाद पुरंधरं विठलना निजदासने पक्षिवाहननाद पुरंधरं विठलना निजदासने शरणु सिद्धिविनायका शरणु विद्याप्रदायका शरणु पार्वती तनयमूर्ति शरणु मूषिकवाहना शरणु सिद्धिविनायका शरणु सिद्धिविनायका शरणु सिद्धिविनायका विनायका. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಅತಿಥಿ ದೇವೋ ಭವ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಸರ್ವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೈಗನ್ನಡಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಸರ್ವರನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಲೋಚನಾ ರಾವ್ರವರನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good morning to all present here. And my dear students who are there online. Today, we have gathered here to unveil the book of science for both competitive as well as board. So you all know that whatever the technology developed, still books are books. So without books, probably it is very difficult to understand, to read and analyze the problems and rectify the things. So to get this knowledge, the books becomes very important, and we all know that books can be our best friend also. So NCERT book, as you all know that, it's kind of a obsolete or the syllabus given to us for the elaboration. So it becomes very difficult for the board, write to board exam, where you need a very simple version and you need a very high version for a competitive exam. You all know that just yesterday the results have come up with the NEET and what competitions are there, isn't it? So to make use or make it easy for you all, so our staff, along with the Vidatri staff, they have compiled the book, and here we are gathered to unveil it. To unveil, we have Honorable President Shri V.R. Nayak, Konkana Education Trust. He is very eminent personality. Whatever we say, do it. We are there with you. So kind of support he gives, the moral supports are very important. I hope his blessings are always with us to do whatever the endeavor in coming days, and we did it in the last year also. So on behalf of all of you and behalf of Vidatri Management and Saraswati PU College, I welcome him to this function. Welcome you, sir. So we also have our Honorable Secretary, Shri Muralidhar Prabhu sir, who is actually a guiding force for all this institution. With his vision for the education is getting expressed in these institutions. So he is with us. Again, from management side, whatever we need, there is always, he says, we are ready to help you out in anywhere, anyway. So it's up to you how to utilize it, up to you how to maintain it. So with this support, we are here to unveil today program on behalf of you all and Vidatri Management and Saraswati PU College. I welcome you, sir, for this function. And our trustee, Sri Ramesh Prabhu sir is with us, sir. Again, whatever, his moral support is so much. Sir, we are going to do this. Yes, madam, you do it. We are there with you. The second, if any problem comes, if we call, madam, do it. We are there with you. Go like this. Our suggestion is given by sir also. So I welcome him on behalf of everybody and Vidatri and Saraswati View College. So welcome you, sir. And to manage all this, we also need a good management person with the administrative skill. So we have Sri Gurraj Shetty with us to guide us and to take us in future for this academic year. So on behalf of Saraswati View College and Konkan Education Trust, I welcome you, sir, for this functions. And I all welcome my faculty members who did a lot of work to do this, because the work is not easy to write a book and to compile it, edit it, and come into it is a dream for any person. So I welcome you all for this function. And my dear students, you are there online, and my dear parents also. So please be with us till the end of the program. Watch this. It's a very good program. You are part of this institution. So I welcome you all for this function also. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.
ಸರ್ವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಲೋಚನಾ ರಾವ್ರವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಅಂತೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆರದಿರಲಿ ದೀವಿಗೆ, ಬೆಳಕನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಿ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ, ವಿದ್ಯೆಗೆ ವಿನಯವೇ ಭೂಷಣ, ಶಾಂತಿಗೆ ಸಹನೆ ಕಾರಣ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನವೆಂಬ ದೀಪವು ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಸವಿನಯ ವಿನಂತಿ. ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಘಟ್ಟ, ಅದುವೇ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಅನಾವರಣದ ಸಮಯ. ವಿಧಾತ್ರಿಯ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಮನಸ್ಸುಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆದು ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಆಳವನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡುವ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸಿ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಭಾವಶಾಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೇರೂರಲು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ವಿ.ಆರ್. ನಾಯಕ್ ಸರ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು KT ರವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಸರ್, ರಮೇಶ್ ಸರ್. board syllabus book with a title name Open Mind. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕ್ಷಮತೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಪೂರಕವಾಗುವಂತೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಮುಂಬರುವ ಸಿಇಟಿ, ಜೆಇ, ನೀಟ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎದುರಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುವಂತೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಅನಾವರಣ. ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾನರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ವಿನಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
So good morning, respected dignitaries on the dais. Good morning to my colleagues. Good morning, students, and good morning, parents. So today we inaugurated the books for both competitive as well as for PU. So for PU board examination point of view, we have a book that is Open Minds. So whenever you open minds, then you will be your imagination will beyond the box, then you are impressive. So maybe that's the reason why they kept the book name as Open Minds for PU and Impressive for competitive exams. So before I'm going to start about the, explain about the books, I would like to tell you about the examinations which you are going to appear after the PU examination. So most of the students will appear for NEET for medical and JEE for engineering. So apart from that, state CET, common entrance test for engineering. So apart from these exams, we have one more exam, that is NEST. So National Eligibility and Screening Test. It is one of the good examination. It is from, this examination started from 2007 onwards. So, but still there is no popularity for this exam. So first I would like to explain about each and every examination, like in a brief. So first CET or state examination. In the CET in physics, we have 60 problems. And in NEET, we have 45 problems. And in JEE, we have 25 problems. Out of 20 problems are objective and 5 problems are like numerical. And whenever you come to the NEST, in NEST, we have total 4 subjects, that is PCMB. Apart from that, we have one more examination, that is general and mental ability. So a student can choose any 3 subjects from PCMB. So you can choose either physics, chemistry, mathematics, or mathematics, chemistry, biology. So you can take any 3 combinations. So based on the combinations, you have to write the exam. So for this, in each subject, you have 50 bits. Okay. So, and then for ability and general and mental ability, we have 30 bits. So if you could qualify in this examination, you can get the seat in like research centers to continue your studies, like IISc Pune, as well as IISc Bangalore, and some research centers are there. You can study in. So what I feel in this book means like impressive. We have the conceptual oriented bits, so which will be helpful to understand whether how much you understood the concept and how much you learned the concept. So to verify that or to revise that, we have the section called as conceptual oriented bits. And we have 3 exercises, namely exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3. So in exercise 1, we have CET kind of problems. And in exercise 2, we have NEET kind of problems. And the exercise 3, we have JEE level of problems. So apart from that, we have one more exercise is there, that is called as Ignited Minds. So in that Ignited Minds, you can get the bits, which will be a twisting type of questions, which will be very simple, but there will be a small twist. So if a student can solve such kind of problems, they will feel very interested about the subject. So such kind of, exercise is also there, like Ignited Minds. And apart from that, we have numerical problems also, which will be helpful for the JEE examination. So as I told before, so in JEE examination, we have 20 problems, objective-oriented problems, and 5 theory-based problems. So for that theory-based problems, we have numerical problems also. So this book covers all the competitive examination syllabus as well as the problems. So in this impressive, we have 4 series, 4 volumes. The first 3 volumes covers all your subjective parts as well as objective parts. And the 4th part is for the practice. So if you could prepare all these 4 chapters or all these 4 exercises or all these 4 volumes, then it is easy for you to crack any examination. And this book is very good. And it is good competition to the other books like NEET, like Akash as well as FIITJEE, all these books. So it covers all the material, all the concepts, and it's one of the fantastic book to prepare for the competitive examinations. And coming to the Open Minds, to get more marks in PU and to get good score in PU, to get state ranks in PU. So this material is very helpful and it is very useful. It has, all the material what we'll going to teach for your boards. Apart from that, we have the important questions for 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, like that important questions also it covered. So it will be helpful to you score more in your PU boards. Thank you. Thank you.
ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕುರಿತು ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನು ಕೂಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದ ವಿನಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಸರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
So, good morning all. So, my name is Prasanna and I'm a chemistry lecturer. So, related to all the related exams are given completely, information is given by the winner. So, it won't be like necessary now to tell again about those exams, but I would mention it again that for the CET also, you have the JEE where you're going to get, so for the chemistry, you will be getting around 25 marks or 25 questions from the JEE, and the NEET you will be getting around 45 questions, and for the CET you will be getting around 60 questions from the chemistry. So with that, I would just like to show you that how it will be like the book is actually made. Like, see, as you can see, I don't know whether it is clearly visible or not, but I'll show you that this is completely related to the boards. So it is written here clearly that it's open minds. So as we have told you that the open minds is for the boards. So dear students, it is very important to get them, like if you want to get out of 4 marks always, it is very important to go through the like detailed study, and this book provides everything that is related to that. So if you want to have a good marks, you should have a good knowledge about that basic, all the parts, and it is providing everything. Not only that one, usually I've seen that the students will go wrong in attempting the 1 mark question. The book has given one of the best thing that it has given clearly about all the 1 mark question and all. So it has given completely about all the variety of 1 mark question that we will be getting. Not only that one, it has whether 2 marks or 3 marks, 5 marks, everything is given clearly here. Along with that, I would say it's one of the best thing is the 1 mark question. So you get around 30 to 50 of 1 mark question, because in scoring out of out, the only problem creating part is the 1 mark question, and that you can get it from this one. So that's why, not only that one, all the basic things, all the diagram, everything is given clearly in the open minds. So this book is really helpful for a student who's referring only NCERT, because as ma'am has mentioned about the NCERT, the book is very good. The NCERT book is good, but a student cannot clearly understand everything, and student cannot solve everything that is given over there, because it is given in some type of like a brief problem. So in that case, the book called as Open Minds would really help you. It will definitely help you out to get the good marks and to get a clear understanding about the knowledge. So with this, there is no other notes or anything that is required. So that's why this book that is done by the Vidatri, so this is really good. So you can refer for the boards level. Now let us come to the next one now. And also one more point I want to mention over there, students, that this is made as a booklet 1. So you can see that there are many other parts of this book now. So this is just a booklet 1. So there is a booklet 2 also. So the main point about that one is, so there is a like burden is also reduced here. So there is no need to carry a whole bunch of books of physics, chemistry, or that only this much. So that weight is also reduced here by making it part. Not only that one, if you want to carry the competitive also, it would be really difficult for a student to carry a book of this size. So making parts of any book is also very important. That is also taken care with all the needed, like the first chapters and all those things. It is made clearly about that. And next is, as I was mentioning about the competitive. So as sir has told, what are the different types of exams that you're gonna get in the, you can just crack based on the competitive part. Again, if I want to mention about this, the book is made very beautiful here. The book is made very, you can see that it is colorful. Okay, first of all, it's very colorful. It's like the students would really feel it as very interesting to read this book. And second thing, when you go through the content now, the content work given is very, very excellent. Everything related to the competitive part is completely covered. And you can just imagine the book has made into 4 parts for the competitive. You can see on one subject, you can see the thickness of this one. So you can see that what type of variety of the questions they might have put in this one. So there is lot of effort put for this book now. So that's why, dear students, it's very important to you to go through all this, clearly solve all the questions. See, as sir has mentioned, you got exercise 1, 2, 3. So you can get the question to the level 1, where it will be little easier, to the very difficult level of exercise 3 also. So you can got variety, more than 100 questions on each chapter, more than 100. So if you just refer this book, if you refer this book, it would be like more than enough for any student who's reading for the first time. So that's why, dear students, It is very important function also this one, as you can come to know about what type of the books you will be getting in the future now, what type of the materials you will be getting. All this will be made clear. So that's why. So you can like study more now, dear students. So with that note now, so all the best, dear students. Thank you.
ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good morning, happy morning to all the dignitaries on the dais and all the colleagues and the students, parents. As we all knew that any institute has got its own vision, especially Konkan Education Trust has got a great vision that it's there, we can see it. We nurture ideas, dreams and aspirations. The vision is given, but Vidatri has taken mission now. The mission started with what unveiling the books today. Especially RD, we have seen two categories of what books, as RD, our colleagues explained in detail, physics and chemistry. Now it's the time that mathematics, especially people around the world, they always get somewhat problematic when they listen mathematics. Really, mathematics is very interesting and stimulating subject. Today, I'm going to explain something about what the two categories of books, what Vidatri RD developed. It's really very interesting. Unless we are not tasting it, we never get the real essence of the books. So my humble request to all students, whatever the strength, whatever the hardship taken by the Konkan Education Trust and Vidatri, it's all for the sake of your betterment. Especially if you come to the in sense of JEE, mathematics is the very important part. Why? Because if you come chemistry, physics and mathematics, mathematics is a kind of true subject which supports all kind of subjects. So what it is called as heart of every subject. Here in mathematics, we have got two categories, as I told now. The first category is open minds. Open minds is purely for what? The students who want to go in detail. Unless understanding the concept in detail, they can't get into the competitive. So once students, when they go along with the lecturing of the faculties and the study material, then they feel somewhat impressive. So the second category is called as impressive books. We have got around 1+3 category books in what JEE, especially volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, and the last, the fourth one, that is especially to see how the questions will be set in the JEE. So there we can see what 6 years solved question papers along with what tips. Even JEE has got two parts, as we know that mains and advanced. Even mains is clearly given in detail in that book. Advanced, it is included. So students, I'm asking you, please get serious and happily see the books now, go through it, enjoy it, and make it for your own. I wish you all the best and take best use of the material, whatever given by the Konkan Education Trust and Vidatri. Thank you and all.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಉದೋರ್ಗತಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳ ತಯಾರಿಗೆ ವಿಧಾತ್ರಿಯ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿದ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good morning, respected dignitaries, teachers, students. Many things has been said by my faculties about the study materials. This study material, we have put a great deal of effort in making this study material. And we really thank the Konkan Education Trust and and Vidatri for supporting us in making this study material. What can I say about this study material? Okay, let me tell you a short story of 1 minute, just 1 minute, not more. Okay, so it is a story of 5 fingers. These 5 fingers, they started to speak among each other. So this thumb finger said, I'm the most strongest. This, I'm the most strongest. So all the humans make use of this thumb finger for all the works. Then said this finger, that which is called as the pointer finger. This finger said that whenever the humans speak, they make use of this finger, you, they make use of me. So I am also equally important. Then the middle finger said that I'm the tallest finger and I'm also equally strong with this thumb finger. Then the ring finger said, I'm the richest finger and I'm the most beautiful because whenever the humans purchase the gold, they will decorate on this ring finger. Then this little finger, it started to think what I need to say. And all these 4 fingers, they started to tease this little finger. You are no use at all. In fact, human use to say toilet. For that purpose only. Then this little finger, it went and prayed to the God. My God, I'm the smallest, I'm the weakest, I'm the most simplest. What is the use? Then the God appeared in front of him and said, you fool, you don't know the value of you. Whenever the humans pray, you are the one who is closest to me. So the people who are simple and the people who are humble, they are going to achieve great things in their lifetimes. Okay. So regarding this book, this study materials, it is an upgraded version of NCERT textbook. It is written in a very simplified way, and it is easily understandable to the students. And the MCQs, that is the multiple choice question after every chapter, if you go through it and if you practice it every day, I can promise you, we can promise you that you will achieve success in your exams, in your board and in your competitive exams. And to the children's and to the parents, you might be thinking, what is going to happen to me? What is going this year because of COVID-19 situation? What is going to happen to us? Don't worry, students. We are there for you. We teachers, we management, Vidatri, Konkan Education Trust, we are there for you and we will support you. Whatever the doubts that you're having in the subject, you can contact us anytime. Okay. And this study material is a wonderful book. You please go through it. You please practice it, and best of luck for your upcoming exams. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಥೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದಂತಹ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ತಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ಹಾಗೂ ನುಡಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವ ಕೊಂಕಣ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good afternoon. The president of this function, as well as president of the Konkan Education Trust, Mr. Vittal Nayak ji, and my colleague on the board of Konkan Education Trust, Mr. Ramesh Prabhu, principal Madam Sulochana Rao, my dear friend, who looks after the management of PU colleges, Mr. Gurraj Shetty, and all our esteemed staff members, and also those of you who are online, and our main supporters, the parents. Let me first of all congratulate you on this occasion of Navratri. We are in Navratri now, the most auspicious time for anybody, you know. It need not be for Hindus. And it is the second day of Navratri. And we all know that during Navratri time, we make Sharda Puja. You know, you keep the books and make a puja for it. So the Navratri symbolizes with, you know, Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Gauri, what you call, you know, goddess of wealth, goddess of knowledge, goddess of valor, or, you know, win over the evil, the Gauri. They resemble it. So my request with all the students is, obviously, some of you may be doing the Sharda Puja, and these books you also will keep it for puja and make a puja of it. But that's not enough. As Mahesh sir right just now told you that, you know, you have to make use of it. The taste of pudding is in eating. You can't say so many things. You can't say, sing so many things about the taste of pudding. Pudding is like this, pudding is like that, and okay. But only that, you know, you will enjoy it when you start tasting. So my sincere advice is, the books are very good, you know, well bound. And I really congratulate whoever it is, Vidharthi or your efforts may be there in that. Whoever has put in efforts have come out very well. Of course, I can't pass a judgment on it, but since I have heard so many of you, you know, speak in so high tone, that it must be really good. And I wish they are really good. Only my request to you is, you know, make best use of it. Because, you know, why we do the puja? We do the Sharda Puja. It's, you know, it's the invoke the blessings of goddess of knowledge, so that she gives some energy to our mind to open it and read something, to gain knowledge. Puja is not for nothing, or puja is just like that. No, puja is that, you know, to invoke the blessings. So, you know, she energizes our mind so that we seek knowledge, we get knowledge. So the knowledge percolates down to our mind. So that's the whole idea. So my sincere wish is, for whatever the efforts they have made, unless and you utilize it properly. Because when you come out with the doubts on those things, you know, they will come to know whether you have read it, whether you have understood it. All those things will come, they will come to know, the lecturers will come to know. But my sincere request is, please do it. And again, coming to this year's, you know, pandemic situation, you are all under stress. I know, most of you, especially the parents. It's a completely, you know, this has never been seen in the last 1 century. This kind of a situation has never been seen. And so even the government doesn't know, even the management doesn't know, even your parents, they do not know how to handle this situation. So online classes has come as a blessing. I don't say it's a completely, you know, it will be a change for the classroom teaching, but for the time being, it has come. And I wish and hope that this situation will change for better within a few days or a few months. I hope within a few days. I wish that we will be able to start the college from November onwards, November 1st at least. I hope to see you all, because you are all lecturers, you are all friends, are all eager to see you. And of course, the situation will completely change. So my request is, don't be under the stress. Make best use of whatever the opportunity that is there. Now, you are on your own now. You have got the books, you have got the lecturers, and some of them already told you, you can anytime contact them and get your doubts clarified. So with these, you have got the best of the, both worlds. You know, you are enjoying your holidays at home and enjoying the classes as well, I believe. So that's what I'm saying, the best of the both worlds you have got. Otherwise, you know, every time you have to come to college, and by the time you return home, you are exhausted some of the time, most of the time. It's not so. You are at your convenience. You are at your home. You are enjoying your home food. And the ambience is very good at your home. And with all that, you are still getting online classes. And now it has come, you know, these books have come. Make best use of it. We are with you. We are always with you. And we hope by November, the colleges will start, and we have got a lot of hopes on you, because we have tried to give you the best team possible, the best lecturers possible. You have got the best management person, Mr. Gururaj Shetty, and we have got a kind of a very loose tie-up with Vidhatri now. So we are all trying our best, see that you succeed in life. You know, don't be under any impression or don't be under any pressure. You know, your whole, what do you call this, the career, your academic career is, you know, got a lot of problems. This whole world is facing it. It's not only you. The entire world has got this problem. So you are not alone, and don't think that your career is gone, your academic career is gone. Nothing like that. You know, government will come out with some solutions. People will come out with solutions, and maybe with this experience, you know, what is said is tough situations never last. Tough men or tough women or tough persons always last. You know, this is a tough situation. You are lucky. The previous batches or previous people, you know, they have not undergone through this kind of a turbulence. So you are lucky, I should say, that because you have undergone this, the toughest situation, and you will come out a winner. God bless you. Thank you.
ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಅದರ 100% ಪ್ರಯೋಜನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಕಿವಿಮಾತನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಮುರಳೀಧರ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡುವ, ಸದಾ ಹಸನ್ಮುಖರಾಗಿರುವ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬು ಹಾಗೂ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ VR ನಾಯಕ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷೀಯ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೈನಂದಿನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ. ನಾವು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಂದು ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುವ ಕೈದೀವಿಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಕೈದೀವಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಶ್ರಮ ಅತ್ಯಧಿಕ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುವಂತೆ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸಿದ್ಧಪಡಿಸಿದ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ವೃಂದದವರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಧಾತ್ರಿ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಂದಿನ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಲು ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಂಕ ಹಾಗೂ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 0.01 ಅಂಕ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸದಿಂದ ರ್ಯಾಂಕುಗಳು ತಪ್ಪಿ ಹೋಗುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಯುಗವಾದರೂ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಬುನಾದಿ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆಯುವ ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ, ಏಕಾಂಗಿತನಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳೇ ಸಹಪಾಠಿಗಳಿದ್ದಂತೆ. ಏಕಾಂಗಿ ಎಂದು ಎಣಿಸಬೇಡ, ನಿನ್ನೊಳಗಿರುವ ಅರಿವೇ ಗುರು, ಒಲವೇ ಮಿತ್ರ ಎಂದು ಕವಿಗಳು ಹೇಳುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಪೋಷಕರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಒಲವು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಗಲ ಮೇಲಿದೆ. ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆಶಯದಂತೆ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ತಳಹದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಧುನಿಕತೆಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗುವಂತೆ ರೂಪಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈಜೋಡಿಸುವರೆಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ನುಡಿಯನ್ನು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಪರಿಕರಗಳ ಸದುಪಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸಿದ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇದೀಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಂತಿಮ ಘಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ತಲುಪಿದ್ದು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಸರ್ವರನ್ನು ವಂದಿಸುವುದು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಸರ್ವರನ್ನು ವಂದಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್, ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dignitary on the dais, Honorable President Sir VR Naik Sir, Honorable Secretary Sir Murali Prabhu Sir, and the Trustee Ramesh Prabhu Sir, Principal Madam, Dr. Sulochana Rao, and my dear colleagues, teachers, parents, and my dear students. It's my privilege to say thanks in this moment after unveiling our Vidatri study material, what we say open minds for study material, which is useful for boards and impressive for competitive. And also thank all the parents for joining us in this online event to unveiling who witnessed for this unveiling our study material. And I also thank my dear staff members, colleagues, teachers, and non-teaching staff. Not at the least, our non-teaching staff, Venkatesh ji, Lata ji, and Nitesh ji, and Nilesh ji, who are being a back support for us and making this event very successful. Thank you. Thank you once again.